Hello everyone, it's your Ate Nix, hindi lang pang chika, kundi pang aha, moment din para bigyan kayo ng bagong kaalaman at siguradong may matututunan. Today, I will discuss the Rohingya crisis in Myanmar, which has been described by international officials as a textbook example of ethnic cleansing. The Rohingya are Muslim minority group living in Myanmar who have long faced discrimination and denial of citizenship. Because of this, they are considered stateless and are vulnerable to abuse. A century of military came to an end with democratic election, but democracy hasn't brought universal freedom to all of people of Myanmar. And in Rakhine State, the rise of militant branch of Buddhist nationalists as far as Human Rights Watch has called an ethnic cleansing against a minority Muslim population. Myanmar is at geographic crossroad between China and India. It also shares border with Bangladesh, Laos, and Thailand, which means it has been ethnically diverse. In fact, the country recognizes 134 ethnic groups but refuses to consider the 1.3 million Rohingya one of them, even though they lived in Myanmar for centuries. Different countries have responded in different ways. Some condemn Myanmar's action, others like China support the government in the name of maintaining stability. These show how political interests can influence how countries react to human rights issues. In addition, many people around the world have been expressed concern by signing petition to remove Aung San Suu Kyi Nobel Peace Prize. This crisis reminds us that human rights should always be protected regardless of person, race, religion, or nationality. The suffering of Rohingya people shows what can happen when discrimination and injustice are allowed to continue without intervention. As family member of global community, we all have a role in raising awareness and supporting efforts that promotes peace and equality. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to ensure that situations like this are addressed and prevented in the future. By learning about this issue, we become more informed and responsible citizens who can stand against injustice and support those who are in need. Ayun lang. Sana may natutunan kayo. Paalam!